Hey, welcome back, Math Gurus. Today's video will focus on ratios and rates. So just want to refresh your memory. Ratios compare part to part or part to whole. In the first example, it's part to part. The second example will be part to whole or part to total. All right, let's get started. On the shelf, the ratio of science books to math books is 4:3. There are 36 science books on the shelf, so we want to know how many math books are on the shelf. All right, so we're going to set up a table, and on one side we'll have science, and then on the right side we'll have math. Now your table can be vertical or horizontal. It works out both ways. So there's 4 science books and 3 math books. It's telling you there's a 36 total science books. So we'll put 36 under the science section, and then now we're going to figure out our scale factor. So 4 times 9 gives us 36. So our scale factor is 9. So that means we'll scale 3 by 9 to get 27. And so our answer for this one would be C. And these problems I got from a previous STAAR test. All right, for the next one, it says there are 63 dogs at a dog show. The ratio of the number of large dogs to the number of small dogs is 4:3. So it has a colon, but that does mean 2 in this situation. How many dogs at the dog show are small dogs? So we'll have a table too. We'll, however, add a third column. So you have large dogs, small dogs, and then you're going to have to add the total. How do I know? Because it gave you 63 dogs. It didn't say if they were small or large. That's just the total. So for large, we know that it's 4. Small is 3, and if there's 4 large and 3 small, that total is 7. And since we know the total is 63, it has to be in the total section, which is farthest right. And so now we're going to figure out our scale factor. Scale factor is your multiplicative relationship. In other words, are you scaling up or you can scale down? In this case, we'll scale up. How does 7 become 63? Times 9. So our scale factor is 9, meaning we'll scale all of these by 9 to keep equivalent ratios. 36 large and 27 small. Now, if you notice, answer choice A is 36, so they're trying to trick you. And so we have to pay attention to make sure we're focusing on whatever it's asking for. All right, so that is our last problem. For this video, please don't forget to hit like or subscribe for future math tips. Thanks.